Well, good evening, everybody. Here we have a look at the storm team Fury, and all eyes have been to the sky because there is that possibility of showers and thunder showers developing, especially as we get into the overnight hours. Now, earlier this evening, we had a little area of rain around Effingham, but that has dissipated as the system now pushed into somewhat drier air. But with a southeast breeze and temperatures actually fairly mild, more clouds are beginning to develop, and I think what we'll do is set up the scene, set the stage for the possibility of showers and thunder showers even during the overnight hours. 73 in Chicago. Mattoon has 73 in Terre Haute. Very comfortable, 74 degrees. Moline, 75. These are actual temperatures. St. Louis has 77. Now, the wind speed, about 7 miles per hour. That's out of the southeast. And so anytime the wind comes out of the south, what it does is bring in moisture. And in fact, that's what's happening now. So the amount of moisture coming into the system starts to mix up with an approaching cold front, and then we start to make some rain. And you can see those are the showers that went through earlier, and now we've got just a few little showers and maybe thunder showers here in northwestern Illinois. They're all progressing ahead of a cold front that is going to be moving in. And what that's going to do really is not drop us off temperature-wise sharply, but the next few days, typically we ought to have an average of 89, 90 degrees for a high. That's not going to be the case as we get into the next few days. Now, here's the Wednesday at noon outlook, and so we have some showers here, and then we get further into the day on Wednesday, and it looks like more showers, maybe some thunder showers, as that cold front starts to approach a little bit more. And so what happens is that gets closer, that increases our chance for scattered showers and thunder showers, and then some fresher air moves in behind that. And this weekend, I think, will be very pleasant. At least that's the way it looks right now. Storm outlook at this point, if you're going to have any severe weather, it probably will be occurring in Illinois, not around here. I don't see any forecast watches or warnings coming up through the overnight hours. So actually a fairly pleasant night. Low of about 63 degrees, wind from the southeast, nice gentle breeze at about 7 miles per hour. Not too humid, but storms are possible. And then for tomorrow, a high of 84 degrees. Now remember, the average high ought to be about 88, 90 degrees. By the way, today marks the record of the hottest temperature ever recorded in Terre Haute. And that's 110 degrees. That happened back in 1936. Wind could be gusty at times tomorrow with those occasional thunderstorms. And then tomorrow night, a low of 66, mostly cloudy, warm, humid. And again, some scattered storms possible. And then for the 7-day forecast, Thursday, 86, Friday, another chance for some rain, 81, and Saturday, 76 degrees, Sunday, 82, and Monday, 83. So we're going to get some rain, and a cold front moves in. And so far, this summer has been wet, a little wetter than normal, but a little bit cooler than normal. So it looks like we're going to continue that stretch, and I really haven't had many complaints about that. And I happen to know, by the way, that Amanda Jarrett had her hair done tonight because I was at the same place. And Amanda, I must say, your hair looks really nice. So, good way to kick off, and nice to have you here on the night shift.
That's right. Well, thanks, Kevin. I appreciate it.